Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Now this native jollof rice is a bang. Come with me, let me show you how I made it. So first of all, you are going to use any type of peppers you want. So different types of peppers are just okay. So you can see all the peppers I use. Now most of them are hot, some are not hot, ginger and garlic. So I went over to blend them. So I am using a chopper because I don't want it to be blended. I actually want it to be chopped. In a clean pot, I'm going to heat my oil. I'm not bleaching. I'm going to add a little bit of vegetable oil. That's optional if you want. Then I added my onion. So I stirred my onion a little bit until it's fragrant. Then I added this. Guys, this is a bang. This is a bang because I stay in London. I couldn't get the fresh one, so I had to use this. That's locust beans, by the way. So I added my chopped peppers. Oh, at this time the whole house was oh, the aroma was something else. So I always like to fry a little bit until the water dries out. Now add your stock cube. I like onga particularly for recipes like this because this one um has crayfish, so it brings this crayfish flavor into the recipe. So I used a bunch of fish, everything I could see in my fridge, and also some, we call it oporo. Anyway, it's shrimp. So um I had to add crayfish to it, and I stirred this. I actually fried this till the water was and the oil is a little bit dry. Then I added my rice. Now at this point, I tried to stir fry my rice a little bit because I noticed that when you stir fry this rice, I'm using basmati rice, it actually doesn't stick. So I added my stock from my meat stock. It wasn't enough, so I added a little bit of more water. Now I am going to cook this rice on a medium to low heat because basmati rice just likes heat. So I am going to cook it on a medium to low heat for at least 20 to 15 minutes. So I tasted and the salt wasn't there, so I added a little bit of salt just to improve the taste, and this was the perfect taste I wanted. I added a little bit of water because I wanted it to be a little soft, and I covered and allowed it to cook. So voila, 15 minutes later, you can see it is totally dried. Guys, I must tell you, this rice is the bang. Like, this rice is totally amazing. It is delicious and it is nose blinding. Please, can you please subscribe to this channel if you've not done that up to this moment? What are you waiting for? Please subscribe now. It doesn't take away anything from you. Okay, and at the end, I garnished it with my air fried chicken and fish. Thank you for watching. See you in my next recipe. Bye.